I don't know if you guys are up for it, but maybe we just do the front interface one last time, but we actually send the email right now. I want to change my name, and we just do a really quick run through of
Yeah, just purely like imagine I'm an agent. What's going to happen? Like,
yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. So this is a simple ticket, but in the context of financial services, this is quite complex because there is a lot of compliance, a lot of approvals, and so on and so forth. So what we'll try to do is help the agent do this more reliably and faster. So in an ideal world, what we want to do within Zendesk is Elizabeth will send her request. Then if everything works out, Auto Assist is part of Agent Co-Pilot, as you know, will suggest right away how this can be resolved. What are the right actions, all of the right things that the agent normally would need to do on their own. Now, this will trigger the workflow from Next Matter automatically in Zendesk. And all of the actions then will kickstart so that the whole resolution is orchestrated. So that would mean that Elizabeth has to receive a safe space for her to upload her documents. So somewhere that it's compliant and everything is extremely easy for her to do, and she has a great customer experience. Then a completely different task has to happen, which is the compliance team, a team completely outside of customer service and customer success, has to approve documents. So the compliance team needs to find the right documents with all the data that Elizabeth put in all her documents and so on. Then once that's done, all of the accounts need to be updated with all of the information that were sent from Elizabeth and the compliance team on the accounts. And hopefully the ticket will be automatically closed. So we will try to enable the agent through the Auto Assist to complete something very, very complex that otherwise they would need a lot of instructions, how to do it, a lot of access to other teams and systems, and also something that would take them a lot of time to try to do it automatically with Copilot and Next Matter.
Oh,
okay,
I've got it. So let me share my screen.
I'm putting the timers on.
Okay. Let's send this out.
Okay. That email?
Yep, this is the email. Google always gives a few seconds within which you can recall the email and undo.
Yeah.
So that's why it takes a little bit. Let's see when this actually comes in.
Well, that's the purpose of a real demo. Look. Okay, so we got the confirmation email from Zendesk.
Nice. Open ticket 47 for you. Let's see when this one shows up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, there it is. So I got assigned.
Got assigned. We go into here.
Name request gets picked up. So that's good.
Yep. By the way, it's now possible. It's very, very new. I think it's just 3 days ago to edit the Copilot actions that are being suggested.
Quite useful if you have like multiple things you want to fire at once and one of them is like not eligible, or like the soft, which is clearly not what we wanted.
Yeah.
Nice.
So now you approved the change name workflow that was suggested from Next
Matter?
Correct, indeed. And then now it says has been started successfully.
There we go.
Have been kicked off. Elizabeth gets it, gets the email. She opens it up. Date of birth.
She's somewhere on the metro now on her mobile, trying to put
I'm just curious if the signature will look the same this time.
Okay. Now you said let's see how it looks like on the phone and if the signature looks the same. So here we resize it. Right, that works. And then here, name change certificate, passport. This time she wants to have something green, and let's say if I can still sign. There we go.
Close enough.
Close enough.
Thanks for submitting.
Great.
All good. So back to full size. Has provided their information to verify their identity. Now let's see. We need James now in the loop.
Yeah, let's keep this one open so we just see how it looks for an agent immediately.
Yeah, exactly. So James is logging in. That's a separate browser window, by the way, so I will need to present that. Here we go.
The agent is now solving 3 other tickets at the same time.
Yep.
Yeah. Basically, it should be pending, so it's out of sight.
Approved personal details. James is done. And going back to Zendesk. Personal details have been updated successfully, ticket solved.
Yeah, and it's solved already, I see at the top. So.
And you can see also on the sidebar now all the steps if you open it, right? So you'll be able to see who did what, when they did it, and all of the information.
Yep. You got
audits and whatever.
An audit log, basically, when the banking system was changed, when James provided his approval, when Elizabeth verified her identity, all of that has green check marks now.
And all that with one click from the agent.
Yeah, crazy. And then let's see what the ticket summary says, by the way.
Yeah. And if everybody's on top of like their devices, like they'll take them around 3 minutes. That's how much it took us. Yeah. But I'm so curious to see in real life how long it will happen.
Yeah, wow, that worked.
That's like exactly what happened. So
that's so cool. Nice. Well done. I think that was a success.
Yeah.
Amazing, cool. Looking forward to see what other complex stuff we can make and demo, and I'm also looking forward to suggest this to customers and tell them to start solving.
Yeah, exactly. Cool work. Fun.
Nice, cool. That's what we wanted to show. First try and then show. And then I think would love to get some requests from you. What do you want us to build? Like we'll take the challenge, build it, and then send it to you. So either you are a Zendesk account executive seeing this, you've got a case that you're thinking that you want to suggest to a customer, send it to us. Whether you are Team Premium Plus, you have a customer, you're trying to create more efficiency, Thomas is there. You can do all of this. And whether you are a NextMatter customer using Zendesk, trying to integrate those two in the best possible interface where your agents work in Zendesk, let us know and we can build that. And if you have more complexity, you can reach out to Thomas, who can also help you with NextMatter and Zendesk. Michael is also there to help. So yeah, would love just to get the challenge, build, and see if we can resolve tickets way more reliably and more efficiently. Any final words?
Well, I wasn't surprised, but I'm surprised on how smooth it worked today. Just by us communicating in advance on basically what's the story going to be, what's the API we need to integrate, and what's the generic flow going to be. Well, it just worked. So that's cool to see.
Yeah, it's really nice. And also in terms of effort, right? This wasn't me spending weeks and weeks refining it. It was a hackathon building on some of the work that we have done in our previous call. Plus a bit of figuring out the workarounds that we've discussed prior, and then things are working very well.
Yeah,